When I see and hear women give their power to everyone and everything else, it irritates me to no end. Why? Because I see myself and my own struggles with powerlessness in their behavior. According to Wikipedia, women have given away their power since the beginning of the Bronze Age, which was 5,000 years ago. That's way too long. Inside this group, based on my book, Take Back Your Power, you'll discover practical, easy, as well as controversial and unpopular ways to take back your power. Such as, the number one way takes only a few minutes here and there with simple, easy to integrate habits. The widespread common thing we do to others and ourselves that is probably a major cause of illness and addiction, and what to do instead. The key words that put you back on the path to freedom. Hundreds of things that we as women are told are wrong with us, including our naturally aging faces. The hidden drawbacks of using full makeup on a regular basis. The free, 22 minutes daily, better than therapy practice that could change your entire life. All the ways women have been and are silenced, and what to do about it. Why cosmetic procedures are a waste of time and money without doing this. Join me and let's empower together.